Also, because both you and me, actually, we use the same login page. We use the same login page. But the function is different, but the same. But the same. And for the student F2, you can select, right? Select a course, and also you can withdraw a course, right? Withdraw a course, and teacher cannot select course. You should remember, right? So what teacher can do? Teacher can, like F4, take, right?
Take course. Take
Take not the course, actually take class, right? In the database course, remember, course is a static entity. When course become a class, one course can have many what? One course can have many classes, right?
Many classes.
Yes, you are right. Like a DB, DB course. It can be class 1, right? Taught by me, right? Like by me. Class 2, maybe taught by another professor, right? Okay, so you should understand this one. And the teacher can also do like F5, it can score, right? You are most consider this one, right? Scoring, yeah? It can score some students in which course. And the last one, you maybe have the other actor. It's admin. Admin also can have, first it's login, also need to log in, and it can, like F6 to arrange what? Arrange class, right? It can also create a thing, create course. Okay. So this is a thing. Yes.
What about time schedule?
Pardon? Repeat again.
Time schedule, time schedule.
Who can repeat for me?
I think she's talking about the time schedule.
Time schedule. Okay, time schedule. That's good. Timetable, I mean, time schedule. That's good. Actually, time schedule also arranged by admin in our university. But the time schedule show to both student and the teacher are done by system itself. Okay? Like administrator can arrange this class maybe in Monday, and cite the time, and the other class set into Wednesday, like this, like our class Wednesday afternoon, right? This is arranged by administrator. You are right. This is a kind of user cases. Any questions? Okay, because this is simple, I will give you a little bit complex one. A little bit complex one is this one. This is so-called the sequence diagram. Okay, so as you know, sequence diagram is not for customer to read. Actually, it's for what? For development team to communicate, right? Okay, so that means in the requirement documentation, include version 1 and version 2, I do not require you to do this sequence diagram. Understand?
Yes, Lars.
Okay, Lars.
So you no need, you are no need to draw this sequence diagram in requirement documentation, include version 1 and version 2. But you should understand this sequence diagram will be shown in what documentation you think? Implement or
Implementation.
design or design? Design
The
or implement?
implementation.
Not implementation, actually. Because no code here, right? No real code, no actual code here. It's only
Like
diagram.
blueprint.
It's only diagram. So you should know this is next stage, design. Okay? When you design function, you are suggest to draw such diagram, such sequence diagram. Then you can clearly understand what this function really do in the system, not for the customer. This is a system, okay, system. Okay, let's see this example. This example actually is talk about the print. For laboratory system, laboratory system, for print article, okay, very simple. But the system will do many things. So you will see this vertical line actually is time. Okay, clear? Understand? It's time. But the horizontal line actually is for actor, for different component. Like this component 1, component 2, component 3, component 4. All these component actually are system, other system, okay, other system. So we start from this part. This is left top part. So we start at the user. User want to print something, so it will invoke a request to the item article, which article he or she want to print. Then this article will going to ask the other component 2. Component 2 is to copyright form to check whether you can print this article. Okay, because you are already have the account of the university, so when you log into the university laboratory system, this copyright you can pass this copyright. Otherwise, you are not allowed to print. Then the copyright form will respond to user complete. Then user can go to check whether it is okay. Then the copyright form will interact with the article. Then send copyright okay. That means after okay, then because this is timeline, this is then the article will send to workplace, because not only one article you will print. Maybe you have 1, 2, 3, 4 and more articles you want to print. So it's like a passage chart box. So you have a queue here. Then article okay. That means okay, you will print all of the article. Then user send click button print. Then the print command will send to the working place. The working space will send the command of print to what's in, to really the printer. Okay, printer. You see, printer is here. Then printer will conform and print it. Then the information will send back to the customer, to the user. Then user will see the result that print in workspace. So this kind of sequence article, this kind of sequence diagram actually is more detailed than user case. You will identify all the subsystem or component interaction with this function. So here, I will give you example about our project. Okay, that means our project. Okay, our project.